Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Expert Committee. I'm here to discuss bottom navigation bar. Firstly, I make one series on it. I make one series where I made firstly the default bottom navigation bar. Then after I make series forward to the customized bottom bar. So here I am ready to make one series. If you want to make like you want to build an app in Flutter, you can comment on my channel. I will make that tutorial on it, and let's start it. If you want to what I want to make a next video on which topic you want to, then comment on my channel. I will definitely do that one. Now start it. I already created my project with the name bottom bar navigation. Now I move forward. I write code on it. You already know the who already know the Flutter. They know how I write and why I am writing this. So I make it stateful because I want to change that one. That after clicking that bottom, I change that state. So that's the reason I'm taking the stateful, and I name that state that class to that bottom bar navigation, default bottom bar navigation. It's my fault. Yeah. So I take scaffold. I'm using the material app, so I need that scaffold. So here I'm taking app bar for that decent thing. That's the reason I am taking. Okay, I take text. There I use default. I named it default bottom bar navigation. I make some changes on style because it's a too long line, so I make visual on it. So I change that font size only. That font size will be 20 because it's too long, and the weight will be normal because I really want to visual the whole line. So that's the reason. So now I don't want to focus on the app bar. I move forward to the bottom bar. In scaffold there is one property called a bottom navigation bar. You can see there bottom navigation bar. So inside it there is one rigid bottom navigation bar. So I take that one. Inside it one property that's called items. Inside it there is bottom navigation bar items. Okay. Inside it we can take icons. Icon is a rigid, and inside it one property icons dot. I take one home. So home, and then after I take titles. Titles is just the name. The icons you can like indicate what the icon is. So you can take that. I don't want to waste my time in on that styles and all. So just let it be. I just copy it and I take only the three bottom navigation bar items because we have the main focus on how it work. You can take more than 10, what number you want to take you can take. I take favorite border. I write here favorite. So here I am writing shopping cart. So here I use cart. You can see their icon will become, right? So you want to change it, want to change. So this is work on the index, right? Which index will be pressed and when. So how it will work on the indexing. So we have to take one index, one variable for the index. We have to take care for the naming conventions also. So that's the reason current I will be index, and I take the list. I take it final, and that list will be must be rigid type. and make it children. I make it private also. I don't want to use anywhere, so you can use anywhere also. You can take public also. I make it private, and I use one container. There I use the color will be yellow. Let be highlighted because I want to show you changes what we have. And there I make text will be home. Definitely first will be home. Let's check one. Yeah, that's home. Yeah. So for now, if you only changes the container color, so you can do one thing also. You make it center, because the container will be come with that only the text color, like the text size will be with that container only. So I want the whole container will be yellow color and text will be on center. So that's the reason I want to. So I replaced it center, and then after I saw also that output what will it. And for the second, for the favorite, I just take it just only the text. And for third one is I just take it one container with the color only. Okay, because I don't want to waste the time on these things. So now I did with all these things. Now for now I have to, obviously the current index will be that variable that contain current current index. We can change the name, but it's better to make that a similar name, because I just make it. You can change your name also. Inside it there is one tab property, right? For tab, what on tab is that if we tap one have we have to pass that method or function. Inside it we have to pass that index, because it's based on index. So, and obviously set state, I'm using set state, and that pass that index into that current index. So on tab I definitely write on tab, I call that function. And in body we have to declare inside the scaffold have a body property. Inside body property I have to introduce that one. So now all it works. I run it and show you the output will be what the output was. Okay, it's running. After running I will show what is that. Yeah, so it's running completely. So now what the changes is, for if I'm not using that center, so what will happen, I will show you. It's completely running. Before that what I did, the container na, that the last one. So take it, I that is a cart, right? So I take it the difference here also. That is a cart. What the major difference in that I show you exactly. Okay, so it's running. It's take some time because it's the first time. It's launch time, so it takes something. After that hot reload, it takes so lesser time as compared to this time. So it's running. So run it once. You can see it's not running. So yeah, it's running. After installing I will show you the whole output. Okay, yeah, it's installing. Yeah, that's it. mm, it's running. So hopefully it will work. Yeah, you can see the home page automatically it comes with the zero index, because we already did that the zero index will be the initial one. So if we take it one, it will start with the one also. So we dive by default it's the favorite, because only write in second index. The zero the one index we write it the favorite one. And after tapping that, there is one text, right? It's not showing text. Why it's not? Okay. because after running I added now, so there is one changing. So I hot reloaded it and then again I run it. So it come, definitely it will come. I change the size because it's must be visual to you, because it's very necessary to see that one. So I change that font size will be 20. Let's 20. It will come with 20 size. So hopefully it will come. It's definitely come. So again I reload it and run it. For now it's a home on home page. Homepage favorite. Yeah, you can see this is the major difference, right? Inside home, if we replace the center now, so it will come directly. The difference you can see, right? So this is the container. Hopefully it's not in that video. We cannot discuss the whole thing in single one video, so don't waste the whole video so long. I wrap up my video right now on that position. So thank you for watching my videos. And if you want to another topic, like apart from these topics, you want anything, you want make one tutorial for me for, okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if you like my video, like it, and definitely subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. Hopefully you will do your best. Thank you.